These are the struggles of Maryam, Noura, Hanan, Iman, and 30% of the Egyptian population that suffers from osteomalacia, osteoporosis, and bone-related disease and disabilities, mostly affecting women of all ages. According to a study done by the American University in Cairo, disabled people of working age are 3 times more likely to be unemployed and live in poverty. This is due to unfair employment systems that disregard people with disabilities, since it's believed that they are incapable, inefficient, and unable to execute any tasks. With the mindset of people with disabilities being a burden on society, they are 5 times more prone to mental illnesses, especially depression, compared to people without a disability. Thus, after conducting our needs assessment, including field researches, interviews, surveys, we found out that due to the constant inflation rates, medical supplements are crucial to people with bone problems are scarce around the country, since the import costs skyrocketed to 75 more in the past 2 years, making medication 3 times more expensive.
We couldn't stand by and keep this loop going, so we as Enactus Modern Academy sought after an innovative solution, finding out that according to FAO, 6.4 million tons of eggshells are being dumped in landfills annually, with little to no utilization, as eggshells are considered hazardous by many entities including the EU.
Thus, we came up with BiRi, our social enterprise initiative consisting of 2 main phases to support people with disabilities, by utilizing wasted eggshells to manufacture raw materials that are heavily integrated into bone medications, create an opportunity for them to be pioneer entrepreneurs, and present an independent, sustainable income for them. We started by collaborating with major eggshell waste producers like bakeries, restaurants, and emptying factories to collect their waste for $1,000 per ton, saving them the hassle of getting rid of the eggshells safely and presenting passive income for various establishments. Then, we partnered up with Outside to train 300 men and 600 women on the know-how of our products and entrepreneurial skills. Since women are more prone to bone diseases with 4 times less opportunities to find decent income for themselves and their families, even when 10 million women in Egypt are the sole breadwinners for their households. So, to ensure gender equity, we focused on the capacity building of less privileged women. With the aid of our R&D committee and Dr. Sarah Hassan as our scientific expert, we extracted 5 different raw materials by separating the inner membrane from the outer shell.
بدأنا بري في الأول بفكرة إن إحنا إزاي نخرج من الويست برودكت منتجات صيدلانية تقدر تفيدنا في حاجة، زي الكالسيوم كلورايد والكالسيوم ستريت اللي بنخرجهم من قشر البيض وبنقدر نستخدمهم كمكملات غذائية، وإزاي نخرج الهيالورونيك والكولاجين من الممبرين ونستخدمهم في علاج بعض الأمراض زي الأرثرايتس أو نستخدمهم في علاج كوزماتيك. وهدفنا من BiRi إن احنا نحول بحث علمي المشروع الناس تقدر تشتغل بيه وتبقى مصدر دخل ليها بكل سهولة.
Thus, after 12 iterations of prototyping, while using simple machines, with only 10 eggshells, our beneficiaries were able to produce 7 grams of calcium and 2 grams of hyaluronic acid and collagen. Moreover, to ensure BiRi's zero waste cycle, we developed a liquid fertilizer made as a calcium extraction byproduct to enhance plant growth and soil nutrition content by 23%. With our extracts in hand, we can position ourselves as the pioneers in extracting hyaluronic acid and collagen out of eggshells. And to maintain BiRi's highest quality, we partnered up with NanoFab to monitor the production of our extracts.
الهدف من التعاون ده إن إحنا نحاول نطور من جودة المنتجات اللي طلعت.
Passing the Egyptian Research Center quality tests and getting accredited by the Ministry of Health. To ensure BiRi's sustainability, we established a connection between our beneficiaries and 3 of the major pharmaceutical companies in Egypt, adopting the B2B business model, while partnering up with the Medicine for All organization to reach the rural parts of Egypt. Moving on to the upscaling phase, BiRi has 5 production hubs in Egypt, raising the number of our beneficiaries from 900 to 2,000 individuals. Additionally, the market value of our extracts surpassed $20 billion in 2022 alone. Hence, by having our 100% safe, organic, and locally made extracts, our beneficiaries have the advantage in the market with 60% cheaper extracts, no importation costs, and affordable supplements for all, creating attainable supplements for people with disabilities by people with disabilities to improve their health and quality of life, all while ensuring a sustainable ongoing income for our beneficiaries of at least $200 per month. With this little pearl that we crack open and forget about, we were able to raise a new hope for a majorly neglected part of our society, not only in Egypt, but across Africa, where more than 6 million people suffer from fractures due to bone problems and malnutrition caused by calcium deficiency. Through collaborating with NGOs in Algeria, Kenya, and Mali, spreading awareness on waste management, the extraction process, and inclusion.
Summing up BiRi's journey, only one determined goal was in front of our eyes. 5,000 livelihoods were directly impacted. 30,000 people were indirectly impacted. We raised our beneficiaries' income by 200%, produced 5 extracts across more than 10 industries, securing an exclusive local market of globally demanded products, ensuring an ongoing life cycle of decent income, generating a total revenue of $206,000 with 30% return on investment, all while fulfilling 9 of the SDGs, creating a sustainable project that cares for the earth by utilizing waste for the people by including those who are less fortunate and securing them financially, satisfying the triple bottom line of sustainability.
Like a flap of a butterfly's wing could turn this world around, this is a story of hope. A story where we learn that putting our differences aside and giving communication a chance makes us human grow stronger and closer by joining our forces to save the earth that holds us. This is our butterfly effect. This is BiRi, and we are Enactus Modern Academy.